Hello friends, today I am going to explain about compound lipids. Objective: on completion of this lesson, you would be able to know classification of compound lipids. Recap: in the last class, we have discussed about triacylglycerol, simple lipids. Compound lipids: phospholipids or phosphatides, phosphatides, they are esters of fatty acids with glycerol containing an esterified phosphoric acid and a nitrogen base. They are present in large amounts in nerve tissue, brain, liver, kidney, pancreas, and heart. They are esters of fatty acids with alcohols and contain additional groups. The four subgroups are phospholipids, glycolipids, sulfolipids, lipoproteins. Phospholipids are a class of lipids that are a major component of all cell membranes. They can form lipid bilayers because of their amphiphilic characteristics. The structure of the phospholipid molecule generally consists of two hydrophobic fatty acid tails and hydrophilic head consisting of a phosphate group. The two components are usually joined together by a glycerol molecule. The phosphate groups can be modified with simple organic molecules such as choline, ethanolamine, and serine. The first phospholipid identified in 1847, such as in biological tissues, was lecithin or phosphatidylcholine. Phosphatidylcholine in the egg yolk of chickens by the French chemist and pharmacist Theodore Nicolas Gobel. Biological membranes in eukaryotes also contain another class of lipid, sterol. Interspersed among the phospholipids and together they provide membrane fluidity and mechanical strength. Purified phospholipids are produced commercially and have found applications in nanotechnology and materials science. Glycerophospholipids are fatty acid diglyceride with a phosphatidyl ester attached. to the terminal carbon. The terminal ester groups are mainly ethanolamine, choline, serine, or inositol, glycerophospholipid are highly amphiphilic and normally are components of cellular or vessel membranes. The commercial term lecithin is widely used for glycerophospholipids mixtures which contain mostly phosphatidylcholine. Lecithins are used for in foods as emulsifiers and surface active agents for altering viscosity and crystallization properties. It also has industrial uses as an emulsifying agent in textiles, leather, cosmetics, paints, plastics, concrete, release agent, and insecticides. The largest commercial source of lecithin is soybean oil, whether where it is present at levels of about 1 or 3%. The global market for lecithin is estimated to be in the range of 130,000 metric tons per year. There are three subclasses of sphingolipids. All are derivatives of ceramides but differing in their head groups. Example: sphingomyelins, glycolipids, and gangliosides. Sphingomyelins: the sphingomyelins contain amino alcohol sphingosine rather than glycerol. A fatty acid is attached to the amino group of sphingosine by an amide linkage producing a ceramide, a structure also found in glycolipids. Ceramide can also serve as a precursor of glycolipids. The fatty acids found most frequently in sphingomyelins are palmitic, stearic, lingoceric, and nervonic acid. The alcohol group at carbon 1 of sphingosine is esterified to phosphorylcholine, producing sphingomyelin, an important constituent of myelin of nerve fibers which insulates and protects the nerve fibers of CNS. In Niemann-Pick disease, sphingomyelin accumulates in brain, liver, and spleen, which are enlarged, causing mental retardation, and death occurs in early life. On hydrolysis, the Sphingomyelin yields a fatty acid, phosphoric acid, choline, and a complex amino alcohol, sphingosine. Glycolipids. The glycolipids contain ceramide and one or more sugars. They do not contain phosphate group. The sugar-containing sphingolipids are also called as glycosphingolipids. Example: cerebrosides. These are ceramide attached to single sugar, which may be either a molecule of glucose or glucose. As they contain neutral sugars, they are called as neutral glycosphingolipids. Galactocerebrosides are present in cell membranes of the nervous tissue, particularly white matter of the brain, whereas glucocerebrosides are present in extraneural tissues and only traces in brain. In human disease called Tay-Sachs disease and Gaucher's disease are seen. In these are lipids are not broken down properly and accumulate, causing severe brain disorder. It is involved in myelin formation, nerve impulse conduction, signal transduction, and as receptor component for certain hormones or bacterial toxins. It is antigenic. A common fatty acid component of cerebroside is cerebronic acid. In addition, it may contain nervonic or lingoceric acid. Psychosin. When fatty acids are cleaved from cerebroside by alkaline hydrolysis with Ba in bracket OH bracket close to the remaining glycoside, sphingosine, is called as psychosin. Compound lipids. Phospholipids which yield fatty acids, glycerol, amino alcohol, sphingosine, phosphoric acid, nitrogen containing alcohol upon hydrolysis. They may be glycerophospholipids or sphingospholipids depending upon the alcohol group present, glycerol or sphingosine. Phospholipids, they are abundant in all biological membranes. A phospholipid molecule is constructed from four components: fatty acids, a platform to which the fatty acids are attached to phosphate, and an alcohol attached to the phosphate. Phosphoglyceride, glycerophosphate, phospholipids, also called phosphoglycerides, are membrane membrane lipids in which two fatty acids are attached in ester linkage to the first and second carbons of glycerol, and a highly polar or charged group is attached through a disaster linkage to the third carbon. Sphingomyelin. These compounds are commonly found in nerve tissue, especially in the myelin state of the nerve, hence their name sphingomyelin, and apparently lack in plants and the microorganisms. Glycer glycerophospholipids glycerophospholipids, all of the contain two non-polar tails, each consisting of a long chain, usually C16 or C18 fatty acid. Usually one of the fatty acids is saturated and the other unsaturated. All phosphoglycerides have a negative charge on phosphoric group at pH 7. Lecithins are widely distributed in nature. Various oil seeds like soybean and the yeasts are important sources from plant world. In animals, the glandular or nervous tissues are rich in these lipids. Cephalins are closely associated with lecithins in animal tissues. These have also been identified from soybean oil. Plasma logens constitute about 10% of the phospholipids of the brain and muscles. Glycer glycerophospholipids glycerophospholipids derive from phosphatidic acids, compounds formed by a molecule of glycerol with two of its hydroxyl groups esterified by Fs, and the third hydroxyl esterified by phosphoric acid. C2 of the glycerol moiety is asymmetric, producing stereoisomers. Natural glycophospholipids have the have the L configuration. The numbering of the carbon atoms follows the rules of specific numbering. The carbon whose OH is esterified with phosphate is termed C3. Phosphatidic acid. Lecithins. Lecithin, also called phosphatidyl choline, any of a group of phospholipids, phosphoglycerides that are important in cell structure and metabolism. Lecithins are composed of phosphoric acid, cholines, esters of glycerol, and two fatty acids. The chain length, position and degrees of unsaturation of these fatty acids vary, and this variation results in different lecithins with different biological functions. Pure lecithin is white and waxy and darkens when exposed to air. Commercial lecithin is brown to light yellow, and its consistency varies from plastic to liquid. The term lecithin is also used for a mixture of phosphoglycerides containing principally lecithin. Keflin, specifically phosphatidyl ethanolamine and phosphatidyl inositol. Commercial lecithin, most of which comes from soybean oil, contains this mixture and commonly about 35% natural oil. It is widely used as a wetting and emulsifying agent and for other purposes. Among the products in which it is used are animal feeds, baking products and mixes, chocolate, cosmetics and soaps, dyes, insecticides, paints and plastics. Lecithin is a phospholipid which consists of glycerol, two fatty acids, a phosphate group, and choline. It is a yellow-brown fatty substance. In contrast to fats which function as fuel molecules, lecithin serves a structural role in cell membranes. It is found in all cells. Capelines are phosphoglycerides that contain ethanolamine or the amino acid serine attached to the phosphate group through phosphate ester bonds. A variety of fatty acids make up the resto of the molecule. Cephaline are found in most cell membranes, particularly in brain tissues. Phosphatidylserine is a phospholipid, more specifically a glycerophospholipid, which consists of two fatty acids attached in ester linkage to the first and second carbon of glycerol and serine attached through a phosphodiester linkage to the third carbon of glycerol. Phosphatidylserine is a phospholipid and is a compound of the cell membrane. It plays a key role in cell cycle signaling, specifically in relation to apoptosis. It is a key pathway for viruses to enter cells via apoptotic mimicry. Basic plasmalogen structure. Plasmalogens are glycerophospholipids characterized by the presence of vinylethyl ether linkage at the SN1 position and an ester linkage at the SN2 position. R1 and R2 represent strength chain carbon groups. X presents the head group, typically ethanolamine and choline for plasmalogens. Phosphatidyllinositol consists of a family of lipids as illustrated on the right, where red is X, blue is Y, and black is Z. In the context of independent variation, a class of the phosphatidylglycerides. In such molecules, the isomer of the inositol group is assumed to be the myoconformer unless otherwise stated. Typically, phosphatidyllinositols form a mirror component on the cytosolic side of eukaryotic cell membranes. The phosphate group gives the molecules a negative charge, a physiological pH. The form of phosphatidyllinositol comprising the isomer mucoinositol acts as a sensory receptor in the taste function of the sensory system. In this context, it is often referred to as pedals, but that does not imply any molecular difference from phosphatidylinosethols comprising the myoconformers in inositol. The phosphatidylinositol can be phosphorylated to form phosphatidylinositol phosphate, referred to as PIP in close context or informally. Phosphatidylinositol bisphosphate, biphosphate, and phosphatidylinosetol triphosphate, all lipids based on phosphatidylinosetol are known as inositides or sometimes phosphoinositides. Next is cardiolipin, also known as Calcutta antigen, is an important component of the inner mitochondrial membrane, where it constitutes about 20% of the total lipid composition. It can also be found in the membranes of most bacteria. The name cardiolipin is derived from the fact that it was first found in the membranes of most bacteria. First found in animal herds. It was first isolated from beef herd in the early 1940s in mammalian cells, but also in plant cells. Cardiolipin is found almost exclusively in the inner mitochondrial membrane, where it is essential for the optimal function of numerous enzymes that are involved in mitochondrial energy metabolism. Phospholipids, sphingomyelin. Sphingomyelin is an important component of many animal cell membranes, although the biological and evolutionary importance of sphingomyelin is not established. It is known that sphingomyelin, along with cholesterol, are key components of the stable detergent resistance. Nanodomains in membranes, referred to as functional rafts. Simons and Ikonen, 1997, Ahmed L. 1997, Brown and London 1998. Rafts have been identified is as important membrane structural components in signal transduction, protein transport, and storing of membrane components. The mechanisms for raft formation in the membrane most likely involves differential miscibility of the various lipids and preferential association of cholesterol with SM over other membrane lipids. Although cholesterol is closely membranes, it is important to characterize the thermophysical and structural properties of signal component SM bilayers to better understand the properties of mixed lipid cholesterol system. Sphingomyelin. Sphingomyelin (SPH) is a type of sphingolipid found in animal cell membranes, especially in the membranous myelin state that surrounds some nerve cell axons. It usually consists of phosphocholine and ceramide or a phosphorethionolamine head group. Therefore, sphingomyelins can also be classified as sphingofospholipids. In humans, SPH means sphingomyelin represents 85% of all sphingolipids and typically make up 10 to 20 mole percent of plasma membranes lipids. Sphingomyelin was first isolated by German chemist John L. W. Thudekum in the 1880. The structure of sphingomyelin was first reported in 1927 as N-acyl sphingosine 1. Phospho phosphori- Phosphorycholine sphingomyelin contain in mammals range from 2 to 15% in most tissues, with higher concentrations found in nerve tissues, red blood cells, and the ocular lenses. Sphingomyelin has significant structural and functional roles in the cell. It is a plasma membrane component and participates in many signaling pathways. The metabolism of sphingomyelin creates many products that play significant role in the cell. Functions of phospholipids. With proteins, they form structural components of membranes and regulate membrane permeability, responsible for electron transport chain in mitochondria. Lecithin, cephalin, and cardiolepin. Synthesis of different lipoproteins helps in the transport of lipids. Prevention of fatty liver by lipotropic action helps in blood clotting. Cephalin signal transmission across membranes, component of bile and helps in the solubilization of cholesterol, helps in the removal of cholesterol from the body by reverse cholesterol transport. Glycolipids or glycosaminolipids. Cerebrosides is the common name for a group of glycosphingolipids called monoglycosilleramides, which are important components in animal muscles and nerve cell membranes. They consist of a ceramide with a single sugar reduced at the 1-hydroxyl moiety. The sugar received can be either glucose or galactose. The two major types are therefore called glucocerebrosides and galactocerebrosides. Galactocerebrosides are typically found in neural tissue, while glucocerebrosides are found in other tissues. Glycolipids or glycosphingolipids, cerebrosides and gangliosides. Lipoproteins, combination of proteins with lipids. Lipids may be phospholipids, lecithin and cephalin, cholesterol, glyceride, fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. Present in cell membranes, nucleus, mitochondria, blood plasma, egg yolk. Lipoprotein functions transport the deliver of lipids to tissues, maintain structural integrity of the cell. LLD fraction increases in diabetes mellitus status and atherosclerosis. Lipoproteins, shallow microns, very low density lipoproteins, low density lipoproteins, beta lipoproteins, high density lipoproteins, alpha lipoproteins. Summary: we have discussed in this class classification of compound lipids, classification and function of phospholipids. Thank you so much. Have a good day.